सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। 138 एवं विद्वान् स्वपुत्रादेः कोशषट्कात् प्रकल्पितात् व्युत्थायाखण्डैकरसे स्वानन्दे प्रतितिष्ठति। The result of Atma Jnana is being described. So having ascertained the Atma Sarupa as Brahma Sarupa, what one gets by gaining this Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana, let us see. Evam Anvaya, we have seen. Evam Vidvan Swaputradehe Prakalpita Kosha Shatkat Vyutthaya Akhandaikarase Swanande Pratitishthati. Evam Vidvan. In this manner, as unfolded so far, not simply unfolded. Before that, what was necessary? Keep in mind stanza 2 and 3. Anushtana of one's karma for Durita, Kshaya, and Upasanas for Chitta Aikagrata. So therefore, with that means with the ready frame of mind, one has taken to the Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. In this manner, one who has directly cognized the Sarupa. Vidwan. Vidwan here is Jnani. So the Jnani, the Vidwan, Jnani. Swaputradehe prakalpitat kosha shatkat vyutthaya. Vyutthaya literally means having risen above. Vyutthana, you are sitting, no? Getting up is called as Vyutthana. Here, what is meant by it? See, having risen above. What? Having risen above what? Swaputradehe prakalpitat kosha shatka. From the 6 koshas. How many koshas are there? Pancha koshas, you know. Annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha, andamaya kosha. I think Vidyarananda forgot, I believe. Whether he forgot or we forgot, we have to ascertain. We have forgotten one. Putra, Bharya, Mitra also was presented as what? Kosha. So therefore, in stanzas 41 to 44, Putra, Bharya, Adi, all these are presented as Putra Koshas because they are binding in nature because of our identification with them. So Swaputra Dehe is beginning from the Kosha of one's own wife, children, husband, all these. So, and what are these? Truly they are not there. Prakalpita, falsely projected. How many of them are there? Kosha Shatka. What are Kosha Shatka? Pancha Kosha we know, plus Putra Bharyadi, 1 Kosha. So therefore from these 6 Koshas, Vyutthaya, having risen above these 6 Koshas. What do you mean by having risen above 6 Koshas? Having given up the identification tadatmya with the 6 koshas. You can't, what do you mean by rising above? So you have identified with these koshas, give away the identification. How? Already told in this Panchakosha Viveka, step by step you are led by taking the subsequent as Atma, but finally pointing out Brahma Pucham Pratishtha. So Vitthaya, so where does he abide? Akhandaikarase Swanande Pratitishthati. That Vidwan, Jnani, Pratitishthati, firmly gets rooted, established in Swananda, Swaswarupa Ananda. What is it? Akhandaika Rasa. Means it is Aparichinna Ananda Sarupa. Akhanda shows Swajatiya, Vijatiya, Swagata Bhedas are not that limitless Aparichinna Ananda that itself is Brahmananda. He gets rooted in that, he gets absorbed in his Swarupa, that is Swananda, Brahmananda. And this Brahmananda is such that it cannot be described. It defies all description. Why? In the Andamimasa it was shown that the Ananda that each and every subsequent higher embodiment commands from the Sarvabhauma up to the Hiranyagarbha is what? Hundredfold, hundredfold, hundredfold. All these Anandas of these Upadhis from Sarvabhauma up to Hiranyagarbha put together is not even a bindu, not even a droplet as it were in the ocean of Brahmanda. It is something beyond description that is told in 139 and 140. Sarvabhaumadikaanandaha पूर्वेभ्यः शतसंख्यया परे अधिकास्ते तुलेशाः ब्रह्मानन्दस्य बिन्दुवत् परे परे stands for pare brahmani. If you want brahmani you can add pare brahmani. First line as it is afterwards. Sarvabhaumadikaanandaha purvebhyaha shatasankhya adhikaha te tu brahmanandasya binduvat leshaha pare brahmani. In that parabrahma tattva, paramanda brahma, parabrahma tattva, all these earlier anandas, what are those? Sarvabhaumadikaanandaha, anandas beginning that of a Sarvabhauma, not simply Sarvabhauma, Guni, the one who is Gunavan, such a Sarvabhauma. Then Manushya Gandharva, Deva Gandharva, all these Pitrus, etc., up to Hiranyagarbha. Sarvabhaumadikaanandaha Purvebhyaha Shatasankhya Adhikaha. Each subsequent one is 100-fold the prior one. So you have seen that 100-fold, 100-fold, 100-fold. So like that. And Hiranyagarbha says 100-fold that of Prajapati. And who is that Prajapati? Virat. So that's why like this. Adhikaha, they are so, that means in the multiples of 100, they excel the earlier one. That means the ordinary Ananda, even a Guni Sarvabhauma's Ananda is something beyond our grasp as such. So even the 100, and each level 100-fold Hiranyagarbha's Ananda is what? Something beyond our imagination. Even all these put together, he says, Te means who? The Ananda of Sarvabhauma to Hiranyagarbha, all put together. Brahmanandasya, the ocean of Brahmananda, binduvat, like a drop, even not even a drop, like a droplet. So what? Leshaha. Lesha means very, very insignificant portion. That is the reason this Brahmananda cannot be described. Shruti herself says it is beyond description, it is beyond the thinking of anyone. So that Shruti says, Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha Anandam brahmano vidvan na bibheti kutascha niti etagam havavana tapati will come afterwards. Okay. Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasasa. That Brahma Sarupa, Brahmananda Sarupa is such that speech along with the mind returns without being able to objectify and without being able to describe. So that is what, that is the and Anandam Brahmanaha Vidvan, the one who has got direct knowledge of the Brahma, Ananda Sarupa Brahma, na bibheti kutaschana. He is not afraid on account of anything, means any janma hetu he is not afraid of. That is now explained, that this Brahmananda cannot be described. Tasmadiyatta naivasya वक्तुं ध्यातुं च शक्यते न बिभेत्येव तं विद्वान् जन्म हेतोः कुतश्चन तस्माद् अस्य इयत्ता वक्तुं ध्यातुं च न एव शक्यते। तस्माद् अस्य इयत्ता वक्तुं ध्यातुं च न एव शक्यते। तं विद्वान् कुतश्चन जन्म हेतोः न बिभेति एव। तम विद्वान् कुतश्चन जन्म हेतोः न बिभेति एव। Tasmat means, earlier as it pointed out, Ananda of all these from Sarvabhauma to Hiranyagarbha is not even a bindu in Brahmanda. Therefore, Asya means Brahmana, Iyatta means Parimana, this much. You know, Brahma is this much, Brahmananda is this much, a Parimana, a dimension, a magnitude. So a magnitude, a dimension, Iyatta. Iyatta no is standard, we say no, not that. Standard also is a Parimana, it is level. So this much. So therefore, that is a magnitude, a dimension as it were, as Iyatta. Vaktum nacha shakyate, nadhyatum nacha na eva shakyate. It is not possible to vaktum, to describe, nor can it be possible to think of it. Dhyana is not meditation here, to think. So vaktum, to describe. Again dhyatum cha, and also to think of. Na eva shakyate, not at all possible. Means it is beyond the description of the words, beyond the grasp of the mind in terms of this much Brahmananda. It is not possible. Not only that, this Brahmajnani has no remorse, no regret, no complaint against anyone. So for everyone he has got what? Thank you. Okay. Thank you, goodbye. So therefore, goodbye, that's all. With not thank you, goodbye with all regrets in the day, with all cheers, thank you. So there is nothing that he can regret about. Do you know why? He discovers everything to be nothing but me, Atma. So everything is what? Atma. Now the Sarvatma Bhava is coming slowly. So I told you for so-called open-eye meditation. I don't call open-eye meditation. For so-called open-eye meditation, I told you, now the real Sarvatma Bhava is coming. Okay. So therefore he says, he has no remorse, he has no regret. Then who has got? Other fellows have got. Any person other than Brahmajnani at the fag end of the life is bound to have remorse. Why did I do that? Why did I not do this? So that is bound to be there. For this person, no remorse at all. That's what Shruti says. Etagum havavana tapati kimahagum sadhuna karavam kimahagum papama karavamiti. This Jnani, Brahmajnani doesn't have remorse, doesn't regret like this. Etagum havavana tapati kimahagum sadhuna karavam. You, why did I not do good things in my life? Again, not only that, kimahagum papama karavam. Why did I do sinful deeds? This is generally there in the mind, and the regrets about the omissions and commissions. What was to be done, not done, and what should not be done, done. All remorse comes at the time of death. So therefore, this Jnani doesn't have any such remorse at all. Let us see why. We'll see in next 142. Punyam nakaravam kasmat papam tu krutavan kutaha iti cinta tapatyajnam ज्ञानिनं न तपत्यसौ कस्मात् पुण्य न अकरवम् कस्मात् पुण्य न अकरवम् कुतः पापं तु कृतवान् कुतः पापं तु कृतवान् इति चिंता अज्ञं तपति इति चिंता अज्ञं तपति असौ ज्ञानिनं न तपति असौ ज्ञानिनं न तपति so this is that is what anguish or fear for a common person who is ajnani, who doesn't know one's swarupa. What is that? Kasmat punyam na akaravam. Why did I not take to meritorious deeds which can give sadhu things? Sadhu means what? Good things which can give me punya. Why did I not take to? Again on the contrast, kutaha papam tu krutavan. How is that I took to sinful deeds? Iti, thus chinta. Chinta means anguish, fear. So what is it? Adnyam tapati. Tapati means afflicts. Afflicts who? The ignorant person. Whereas such asau means such chinta, jnaninam na tapati. It doesn't afflict whom? Jnani. The question comes, why? Because Atma Jnana, Brahma Jnana is there. Why does it not? That means such remorse or regret doesn't afflict whom? Jnani. The reason is given. Jnani is because of his vision of everything as nothing but Atma, looks papa, punya, nothing but Atma. From his vision there is neither papa nor punya, neither sadhu karma nor asadhu karma. Everything is what? Brahma Swarupa, not lip service, okay? Not lip service. So it is not a lip service. Yes, but because of Brahma Sakshatkara, Vidvat Pratyaksha, whatever told, Jnana Nishtha, because of that, so everything he discovers was nothing but myself only, and therefore there is no question of any omission, commission, there is no remorse, there is no regret. That is what is told. Saya evam vidvanete atmanag sprunute ubhehe vaishayete atmanag sprunute. That vidvan, one who has got the Brahma Jnana, Atma Jnana, what does he do? Sadhu, asadhu, good and bad deeds, what he looks at what? From his vision they are nothing but Atma Swarupa only. And therefore, again, ubhehe vaishe, papa punya also what? Atmanam sprurte. He looks them, from his vision they are nothing but Atma Swarupa. Therefore there is nothing good nor anything bad. All that is there only Atma only. So that is now explained. Tapakatvam tayor vidvan upekshanushtitam tayoho atmanam prinayan bodhat sudridhi kurute dhyam. Vidvan tayoho tapakatvam, add janan, tayoho anushtitam. There is another reading also is there, anushtitim. Either anushtitam or anushtitim, it means anushtana, performance, in both words. It means anushtana, performance. Tayoho anushtitam or anushtitim, upeksha atmanam bodhat prinayan dhyam sudridhi kurute. Dhyam sudridhi kurute. Vidvan. Vidvan means jnani. So this jnani, what does he do? Tayoho, of those two. What are those? Papa punya yoho, athava sadhu asadhu karmanaha. So tayoho, papa punya, of papa and punya. Tapakatvam janan, knowing very well the tapakatvam is, these are bound to afflict. These are bound to, that is what, the life is like that, these are bound. Even Dharmaraja, what happened? Dharmaraja, who is the one who literally lived the dharma, and yet some slips were there or not. So that is why I say, that is why Vedanta says, see, dharmanusthana is necessary, but mind you, the world is such that, and so long as you have body, you have got the body, at times it is very difficult to totally adhere. So therefore, best thing is what? Don't get entangled in this papa punya account. Get rid of what? This by knowing your Swarupa and getting freed from samsara. So therefore, because you cannot have perfection in the anusthana of dharmacharana. Not that you want to, but by mistake also at times possible. So therefore, and that is that for ajna this, what is that? Anguish is bound to be there, fear is bound to be there, remorse is bound to be there. So therefore, tayoho tapakatvam janan, knowing, what does it do? Tayoho anushtitim upeksha. Disregarding means, disregarding the performance of those both, means not taking to papa punya karmas. Then what does he do? He says, Atmanam bodhat prinayan. Atmanam can be oneself or Atma itself figuratively. Bodhat, by knowledge. Prinayan means tarpayan, making it content, means making oneself content by Atma bodha, Brahma bodha, that is knowledge of oneself. And what does he do? Dhiyam sudridi kurute. He makes his dhi means here not simply buddhi, Brahma jnana, Atma jnana, bodha was told. That knowledge makes it very, very firm, so that from his vision everything is whether papa or punya is nothing but Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. There is nothing that he has to regret about as such. So elsewhere it is said, this is only little told. Alpamuchyate. What alpamuchyate means what? What you say is precious little, that a Brahmajnani looks papa punya as Atma Swarupa. Why alpam? Do you know? From his vision, there is nothing other than Atma, there is nothing other than Brahma. Everything is me only, because he is so absorbed in the Swarupa that he Jivan Mukta. That is described in the Bhruguvalli. Actually, with the stanza 142, Brahmanandavalli is over. So now the three stanzas, 143, 144, 145, are related to that essence of Bhruguvalli, the third chapter of Taittiriya Upanishad is given. So in Bhruguvalli, see, that is found that such a person with a jnani who has no remorse about papa and punya, whose mind is absorbed in the Swarupa, his vision is like this. And it has been described in terms of a sama. Sama means a mantra, which is a Vedic mantra, which is sung. So therefore, etat samagayan naste. Bhruguvalli, from Bhruguvalli. So this jnani is what? He spends his life singing this sama. Doesn't mean literally he sings, okay? Naito, Swamiji, please tell it. We'll tape it and what will you do? So we'll go on repeating every day like that. Dashanti Pataha. So therefore what? This sama also we will chant every day. Jivan Bhakta ho gaya. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. So it is not possible. This sama describes his vision. Etat samagayan naste ha u ahamannam ahamannado ahamannada ahagshloka krut ahamasmi pratamajas ahamasmi pratamajarhutasya purvam devebhyo amrutasya na bhai. So he says again, so yo ma dadati sa ideva ma avaha ahamannamadantamadmi अहम विश्वं भुवनमभ्यभवाम् एतत् समकार्यं नास्ति. You may say, what is this? How? Those who know Kannada, they will be scared. You know, in Kannada, how means snake. If you say, how, they will start running away, snake has come. No, it is the outburst of joy. How. That is what I have discovered. No, like that, no. See, I have hit gold man, figuratively, but something much more than that. The expression of joy. So that's what how means. It is what? Aho, atyanta vismaya. So what a great wonder. My discovery is such that is something great wonder. That is what is that. What is it? Ahamannam. Do you know who am I? I am Anna. Anna means what? Bhogya. I hope you remember. Tat srishtva tadevanupravishata tadanupravisha satyatyajja bhavat. He himself became, Brahma itself became the Bhogya, is it not? That Annam, that Bhogya is who? Me. Not only that, Hamannadaha. Not only I am Bhogya Anna, Aham Annadaha. The one who eats the Bhogya means, enjoys the Bhogya means, I am the Bhokta. See, Bhogya, the thing to be experienced is me, and the one who experiences, experiencer also is who? Me, Ahamannadaha. Not only that, do you know who am I? Ahaggishlokakrit. I am the Shlokakrit. Shlokakrit means one who combines the Bhokta, Jiva, with the Karma Phalas, means I am the one who is the Karma Phal Data, gives a visiting card. Do you know who am I? I am Parameshwara only, who connects the Karma Phala to the Bhokta as such. Ahagishloka. Shloka means here union. Ahaggishlokakrit means the one who is the Sanghatasya, Annada of this assemblage, one who brings together, so that Karma Phal Data, Ishvara is me only. Aham asmi prathamajarhitasya. Aham asmi prathamajaha. I am the Hiranyagarbha. Parameshwara said, I am the Hiranyagarbha. Asya Ritam means Asya Jagataha. Jagat is product of Rita. Rita means Karma Phala. Here Ritama, not earlier Ritam, different meanings we have seen. Here Ritam means Karma Phala. I am the one who with the entire Jagat, which is the product of what? Karma Phala. Purvam Devebhyaha. I am even before the Devas like Indra, etc. Amrutasya Nabhai. Nabhai means Nabhi. That is the. So I am Amrutasya Nabhi means the moksha. Amruta means moksha. The moksha of all living beings is what? Is centered in who? Me. My Swarupa itself is moksha Swarupa, Brahmanda Swarupa. Nabhai. Yoma dadati saideva ma avaha. I am Anna, Bhogya. The one who gives the Anna, what is that? Food and Bhogya to the needy. So that is the different meanings are there. One is, so Yoma, ma means mam dadati. Me, one who gives me in charity to the needy. So what me? Annam was told. So therefore, it is one meaning is, one who gives me the food to the Annarthi, or one who is needy, or one who describes me as the Anna Swarupa, Bhogya Swarupa, or one who gives Atmopadesha to others. So three meanings are there. Verily protects me. Acha, you need protection then. Not, you doesn't need protection means this person does the right thing to be done. In fact, he protects whom? You see, he protects himself, not me as such, but he does the right thing. Suppose if he doesn't give the food, Ahaman naman namadan tamadmi, I devour that fellow. Aham annam, me who is food, annam adantam, one who eats the food without giving to the needy people, to him what? I swallow means that person comes to a bad lot. That's all. I swallow means that by karma palas he comes to a bad lot, means he is unable to get something good. That is what is meant. Acha, if this is the case, this is whose state it is? Jivan Mukta. One may say, I don't want this knowledge. Do you know why? After giving Brahma Jnana, you become Anna. Presently, I am afraid of mosquitoes and tigers. Then after what happens, I will be the food for everyone. ये मुसीबत किसको चाहिए? Well, I don't want it. No, 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 no. Don't mistake that way. He says what? You know who am I? Aham Vishwam Bhuvanamabhyabhavam. You know who am I? Aham Vishwam. I am Samasta. Everything is who? Me. There is nothing other than me. Bhuvanam means Jagat. Abhyabhavam. I Upasamharami. Abhyabhavam means Upasamharami. I withdraw the entire Jagat unto whom? Myself. Means I am the very blood and flesh to the entire Jagat. Entire Jagat is falsely projected in me. What is there is only me and me alone. Suvarna Jyoti. Finally is that. Suvarna Jyoti. Swaha, like sun. No, it's not Suvarna, not the gold, etc. Swaha, na. Na means here like, even. Jyoti, like sun, I am Jyoti. What Jyoti? Prakash Sarupa, Jnapti Sarupa, very knowledge. Etat samagayan naste. This person, what does he do? So Satchigam means this is his vision. Means everything is what? Bhokta and Bhogya is nothing but Brahma Sarupa. Let us see now. Dehendriya krite punya pape chatmataya sada pashyan sarvatmata swasya gayan samnavatishthate dehendriya krite punya pape cha sada atmataya pashyan swasya sarvatmata samna gayan avatisthate. Dehendriya krite punya pape cha sada atmataya pashyan swasya sarvatmata samna gayan avatisthate. So that means from his vision what he says, Dehendriya krite punya pape, the punya and papa, good deeds and bad deeds resulting in the punya and papa, cha both sada, always atmataya pashyan. From his vision there is nothing other than atma. There is neither punya nor papa. What is there is me and me only, pashyan. Swasya sarvatmata, that means his own sarvatma sarupa. That is I is the I of all things. Everything is nothing but me, the atma sarupa. That sarvatmata samna. By the sama mantra means, so what is meant is, in this sama mantra, the sarvatmata, which is the vision of a jivan mukta, is described. That's all. Not simply that he repeats the sama, it is not that way. So samna, gayan, singing, avatisthate remains means, avatisthate remains means he becomes a jivan mukta. He becomes a jivan mukta. So what is the meaning of that samna, sama? What we have seen, the author himself gives. Ahamannam tatha nadaha shloka krucheta ropyaham iti sarvatmatam gayan जीवन मुक्त इतीर्यते। अहम अन्नम तथा अन्नादः लोककृच्च इतरः अपि अहम। लोककृच्च इतरः अपि अहम इति सर्वात्मतां गायन् जीवन मुक्तः इति ईर्यते. So this is his vision, which is described in the Sama, which you have seen. Aham annam, I am anna. Annam is what? Bhogya. I am the Bhogya. Entire Bhogya Jagat is who? Me. Tatha, so also, aham annadaha. I am the one who is the Bhokta, one who experiences all this. Not only that, aham shloka kricha, the one who brings union of anna and annada. So annada bhogya, annada, the one who experiences, means the one who is karma phal data as Ishvara. Shloka kricha also, itaraha api aham, the other one. Itara stands for Hiranyagarbha. I am also the Hiranyagarbha. Iti, in this manner, sarvatmatam gayan. Gayan, singing, means expressing in terms of his vision what? Sarvatmata. Everything is nothing but Atma Swarupa. Such a person is called what? Jivan Muktaha iti iryati. Such a person is called as what? Jivan Muktaha iti iryati. So I thought, let me give you a little more about this Sarvatmata. There is a text called Brahma Gita. Of course, there are two Brahma Gitas. Look, I am not creating some another curiosity. Swamiji, when are you going to take Brahma Gita? don't ask all these things, but whatever given, make best use of it. It is very useful. I am just saying, don't have that craze of one book after it is called under Shastra Vasana. What has been given and what has been taught is more than sufficient. Okay? Otherwise, the Shastra Vasana has no end. Somehow I tumbled upon, I said, let me share with you. That's why I'm sharing with you. See, there are two Brahma Gitas. One Brahma Gita is found in Yoga Vasishta. Other Brahma Gita is found in Skanda Purana. In Skanda Purana, one khanda is called as Suta Samhita. In Suta Samhita, that's one of the chapter. In that, what is there? This Brahma Gita, Yajna Vaibhava Khanda. In that, Brahma Gita is there. The context is all devas go to Brahmaji to get the Atma Jnana, and he teaches. You know what he teaches? Like how Anubhuti Prakasha is there, no? Like that, he gives the essence of some of the Upanishad. And one of Upanishad is Taittiriya Upanishad. That place is very terse argument is there. More terse, that thing you won't find here at all, that terse argument. Very terse argument to prove certain things are there. Like this existence, Satya, etc., very terse argument. At one place, he says, when this comes, etagam havavana tapati kimahagum sadhuna karavam. He says, that is as told here. Jnani, Brahmajnana, Jnani looks upon both Papa Punya as what? Atma Swarupa. There he says, Alpam idam uchyate. Papa Punya only are looked upon as what? Atma Brahma, precious little you are talking. From his vision what? Kriyakaraka lakshana sarvaha api prapanchaha swatma matra eva. Entire prapancha. Do this, accomplish this. This prapancha is nothing but what? Atma Swarupa only. How? Karta. Don't bother about taking, okay? So if whatever little you can note, that is enough, more than enough. Karta karayita karma karanam karyamastikaha sarvam atmataya bhati prasadat parameshwarat. Parameshwarat prasadat, by the anugraha of Parameshwara, because of which he has got the Brahma Jnana now. All these, karta, doer, karayita, one who makes you do, karma, action, karanam, the instruments of action, karyam means that effect also. O Astikaha, O Devas who have got Shraddha in the Shastra, etc. O Astika, Sarvam, all this, what is it? Prasadat Parameshwarat, by the grace of the Lord, Sarvam Atmataya Bhati. For him, from his vision, it appears as what? Nothing but Atma. He doesn't have these labels of Nama Rupa, he doesn't have, everything is Atma only. Now, Sarvam Atmataya Bhati. What is that Sarvam? A long list is given. About quite a number of stanzas are there. Whereas the second line is same one thing. Sarvam Atmataya Bhati Prasadat Parameshwarat. Second line. First line differs. Pramata cha pramanam cha prameyam pramitistatha sarvam atmataya bhati prasadat parameshwarat. See, everything atmataya bhati. Who is the sarvam? What is that? Pramata, the knower. Okay, who? Atma. Pramanam, jnana sadhana. Prameyam, thing to be known. Pramitihi, knowledge of a thing. Tatha. So what? Everything is Atma. Now see, nothing is left out. Niyojascha niyogascha sadhanani niyojakaha sarvam atmataya bhati prasadat parameshwarat. So what is that? Niyojaha, the one who is enjoined by the Shastras, do this, don't do this, the one who is ordained. Niyogaha, the vidhi and the nishedha of the thing, do this, don't do this, that way. Sadhanani, the means of doing. Niyojakaha, the one who ordains, Parameshwara in Vedas, do this, one who says, Niyojaka. Everything is what? For him, it appears to him what? Nothing but Atma, etc. So, like this, I will give you that list that why this Sarvatmata is necessary. So, what is Sarvatmata? Sarvatmana? Sarvam aham eva iti bhavanam. Bhavana. Everything is what? Me only, such a discovery. Why is necessary? If, see, this is not imagination, this is the truth. But due to ignorance, what do we do? Entire Jagat is Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa. But we label the Jagat as what? This having Nama Rupa, etc. Is it not? When you label the things, the Jagat as this, what do you do to yourself? You isolate yourself. Then what happens? I want these. I am different. I want these. I don't want these. I want to run away from these. All this starts because you don't discover the Atma Sarupa. Atma is everything. That if the discovery that everything is Atma, no one desires oneself, no one shuns oneself. So this hide and seek game, what? Running after the Vishayas, well, what happened? In course of time has to come to a standstill. Because why? Everything is Atma Sarupa. From that standpoint, even though Sakshatkara is not there, even based on Shastra, this understanding that everything is Atma helps a lot as such. So therefore let us see. Bhokta bhojayeta bhogo bhogopakarani cha. Everything is Atma. Bhokta, experiencer. Bhojayita, the one who makes experience. Bhogaha, experiences. Bhogopakarana, means of experience. All are nothing but Atma. Grahakascha tatha grahyam grahanam sarvato mukham. Grahakaha, not a customer. Grahaka means not a customer here. Perceiver. Grahanam is perception. Grahaka, perceiver. Tatha grahyam, the perceived. Grahanam, perception. Sarvato mukham, all varieties of perception, perceiver, perceived is nothing but Atma only. Anyatha jnanam ajnanam samshaya jnanam evacha. Anyatha jnanam is what? Bhranti, erroneous notion. Again, ajnanam, ignorance. Samshaya jnanam, doubts. Also what? Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa. Okay. Ghata jnanam, pata jnanam, pudyati jnanam evacha. Ghata jnana, pata jnana, knowledge of all Tom, Dick, Harry and A, B, C, D, everything what? Is Paramaya, that is, it is the Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa only. Ghata pudyam kusulam cha, patah patram cha parvata. See, everything means almost small thing. Ghataha, pot. Kudyam means wall. Kusulam means a storehouse, granary, or a goblin, a mischievous ghost. So that also is a vicious ghost, or a supernatural being, heavenly being, etc. All are what? Atma Swarupa only. Pataladhyascha lokascha satyalokadayopi cha. I think you can understand the meaning. Patala, Satyaloka, etc. All fields of experience are what? Atma only. Brahmandam tatra druptanam andanam shatakotayah. Brahmanda, entire Brahmanda, and also tatra kluptanam andanam shatakotaya. Hundreds and crores of what? Anda means all the individual beings. Entire cosmos, Brahmanda, including all the individual jivas, beings are what? Atma, Brahma only. Samudrascha tatakascha nadya sarva nada api. Oceans, lakes, rivers, and also big rivers, all streams, rivulets, all are clouds, all these are what? Atma, Brahma. Think of it. Okay. Then Meru Mandara Purvascha Parvatascha Mahattaraha. All mountains from Meru Mandara, greatest one. Everything is what? Atma only. Vanani Vanadeshascha Vanyani Vividhani cha. All forest region and forest produce. Vanyani means forest produce like fruits, roots, also wild animals. So Vanya also means wild. All are nothing but who? Atma, Brahma only. Vriksha Savividha Shudra Trina Gulmadayopi cha. Varieties of trees, Shudra Trina, ordinary grass, Gulma means bushes, everything is what? Brahma, Atma only. Akashadini Bhutani Bhautikanya Khilanyapi. All Pancha Mahabhutas and product of Pancha Mahabhutas are nothing but Atma, Brahma only. Shabda Sparshadi Tanmatra Rupani Sakalani cha. Shabda Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, and all Tanmatras, everything is what? Nothing but Brahma, Atma, Brahma only. Krimi Kita Patangascha Kshudra Apita Jantavaha. Krimi, insect, worms, Patanga, butterflies, etc. All those are all very tiny, all this means creatures. All are nothing but Atma, Brahma only. Pashavascha Mrigashchaiva Pannagah Papayonayaha. All animals. Again, Mrigashcha, that means what? Wild animals. Pannagaha, snakes. Papayonayaha, born of what? The sin. Because of these embodiments are because of predominant sin. All are nothing but Atma, Brahma. Everywhere, Sarvam Atmataya Bhati Prasadat Parameshwarat is to be added there. Manushchaiva Matanga Ashva Ushtrakhara Api. All human beings. Matangaha elephants, Ashvaha horses, Ushtraha camels, Kharaha donkeys. So they also are Atma only. So Yaksha Rakshasa Gandharva Pramukha Siddha Kinnaraha. All Yaksha, Rakshasa, Gandharva, Pramukha, Siddhas, all different of the denizens of heaven, and Kinnaraha, all are nothing but Atma only. Karma Devascha Devarajo Virat Swarat. Karma Deha, very different particular type of denizens in the heaven. Devaha, deities. Devarajaha means Indraha. Virat Swarupa. Swarat, Hiranyagarbha. All are who? Atma, Brahma only. Aham cha mad vibhutischa mama bhaktascha dehinaha. I am also, who is the I? Who says? Brahmaji is teaching that. Brahmaji is teaching Deva. Aham, me, Brahmaji also is what? Atma, Brahma only. Mad vibhutischa, my whole glory is also. Not only that, mama bhaktascha dehinaha. My devotees who are wielding the embodiments, Atma, Brahma only. Vishnur vibhutischa Vishnu bhaktascha dehinaha. Vishnu, devotees of Vishnu, wielding embodiment, all are the thing but Atma, Brahma. Rudra vibhutischa Rudra bhaktascha dehinaha. Rudra, his devotees and all the means, all his glories, Vishnu's glories also, everything is nothing but Atma.
Atma Brahma. Ishwarastadvibhutischa tadiyah sarvadehinah. Ishwara, Parameshwara, his glories and his all devotees, all are nothing but Atma Brahma only. Sada Shiva Samakhastu Shivastasya Vibhuteyah. Sada Shiva. Here Sada Shiva means Paramashiva. See, in Purana it is made that means Brahma. Now Mahavishnu, if you say it is Brahma. Paramashiva it means otherwise not the Trinity as such. Not Trinity. Sada Shiva means here. Paramashiva means Brahma Swar, Brahma only. Sada Shiva Samakhastu, one who is called Parabrahma. Shivaha, that Shiva means Parabrahma only. Tasya Vibhutayaha, his glories are nothing but Atma Brahma only. Dishascha Vidishashchaiva Sabhram Nakshatra Mandalam. All quarters and sub-quarters, these are nothing but Nakshatra Mandala. All these galaxies, nothing but this. Sabhram with clouds, entire galaxies is what? Brahma only. Vasudeva Sankarshana Pradyumnascha Aniruddhakaha. Vasudeva Sankarshana Pradyumna Aniruddha, all are nothing but Atma Brahma. Matsya Kurmo Varahascha Narasimhota Vamanaha. All these avatars are what? Brahma only. Ashramashcha tatha varnaha sankara vividhapi. Varnashrama, Chaturvarna and Brahmacharya Ashrama, and mixture of all these things, that also is what? Atma Brahma. Nishiddham cha nishedho vidhayopi nishedha vidhayopi cha. Nishiddha karma, that was papa is what? Atma only. Anishiddham means vihita, enjoyed, Atma only. Nishedha, that nishedha, negation means that, and vidhayaha, vidhis, do is, don't do is, all are nothing but Atma only. Shariram indriyam prano mano buddhirahankritihi. Think of it. Sharira, indriya, prana, mana, buddhi, all are nothing but Atma Brahma only. Kama krodhadaya sarve tatha shantadayo shantyadayo picha. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsara, Shanti, etc. That is very good then. No problem, no. You entertain and get the blows afterwards. That is what. But it is Brahma Sarupa, Atma Sarupa. Jivatma, Paramatma cha, Tayor Bhedascha Bhedakaha. Jivatma, Paramatma, they are Bheda, and the one who brings the Bheda, who is that? Ajnana. That also is what? Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa. Jada Shakti Prabhedascha, Chit Shakti Stat Vidha Api. Jada Shakti, the inert thing, inert things. Shakti, the power. Prabheda, varieties of inert things, and the varieties of Shaktis, the powers. Again, Chit Shakti, Chaitanya Sarupa. Tat Vidha Api, and that Chidabhasa, varieties in different, that means thing, that is the Abhasa, that is available at different levels of the embodiment. Everything is what? Atma Brahma only. Asti Shabdodita Arthaha, Nasti Shabdodita Api. Anything that you say is what? Anything that you say is not, is what? Atma Brahma only. So this is how everything is what? Me, Atma, Brahma only, but this is not lip service, this is the direct discovery of this Jivan Mukta Etat Samagayan Nasti. That's simply told, Aham Annam Annadha. Bhogya, Bhokta. Bhogya includes all these things, Bhokta also includes nothing other than that. In this context, one more thing I would like to bring to your notice. This is from the Paramatma Sarupa, everything is Paramatma Sarupa. Other standpoint, in a given embodiment, look here. Suppose Hiranyagarbha presents you in front of you, what will be your attitude after this much of exposure to Vedanta? Vishnu presents in front of you. Will you disrespect him or at least do namaskar? Vishnu, thank you. You have blessed us during this camp. Is it not? At least that much of, at least what? Namaskara will you do or not? Will you disregard? Will you insult? Will you abuse? Sure. All deities, suppose Indra comes, Varuna comes, Yama comes. You see, don't get scared of Yama, okay? He is a see, he is the guru of who? Nachiketa. So what will be our attitude? respect and namaskar, no? Says, here it is elsewhere said, do you know? All these deities are housed in each and every embodiment of every living being. Please do not disregard. Please do not insult. Please do not abuse. Do you know why? If you do that, do you know whom you are doing? You are abusing the deities. That is what this is the truth. It's told by Sutta. It is in Sutta Samhita on the other places. Therefore, he say, and he said, and in our embodiment from the standpoint of each and every Jnanendriya and Karmendriya. So, what are the presiding deities? A long list is given. I am not going to give you that. It is long list is given. Buddhehe Brahma, of eyes, who is that? Aditya, Surya, you need not know that Surya is here. That is there. And also, that means Vayu, and all these, Padayoho, Vishnu, Manasaha, Chandramaha. So like this, all deities are housed, because the counterparts are here, they are housed. Therefore, even by mistake, don't disregard, insult, abuse, ill-treat. Don't ill-treat anyone, because you are ill-treating whom? Deities. Keep aside Paramatma Sarupa, even deities. Therefore it says, because in the embodiment, all these are housed, and therefore it says, and of course big details are given. Everything, including your anus, has got a presiding deity. Everything is there. So, and they say, Atascha bhoga moksharti shariram devatamayam swakiyam parakiyam cha pujayetu visheshataha. Moksharti, what he should do? Shariram devatamayam. Entire sharira is what? Housed by whom? Devatas. Who shariras? Swakiyam parakiyam. One's own and others. Therefore what? Visheshataha pujaye. Should be what? Specifically adored, worshipped. Why? All devatas here. Navamanam sada kuryat mohato vapi manavaha yadi kuryat pramadena patatteva bhavodadhau. Sada na avamanam kuryat. Don't insult, don't disregard anyone, because you are disregarding who? Presiding deities that are there in that. So, mohata manava, even by moha means what? By some wrong notion also, don't take to that ill treatment or this apamana, insult of anyone. Yadi kuryat pramadena, even by mistake it is done, patatteva bhavodadhau. Such a person, he falls in the samsara sagar, means such a person can never discover the Atma Sarupa, Brahma Sarupa, because of such behavior. That's why the Vedanta is not simply listening to that. It's nice to listen, etc. So this attitude and conduct in life is indispensable. We are harming ourselves by dragging further and further into this world, samsara, because of such ill treatment, abuse, etc. Durvrittamapi murkham cha pujaye devatatmana devatarupatah pashyan muchyate bhava bandhana. Durvrittamapi, the person must be maybe a person of evil conduct. Murkham, he is a what? Idiot. Even then what? Pujaye devatatmana. Worship, adore him was what? Who are there? Presiding deities are there. Devata rupataha pashyan, by seeing each and every, not only human being, each and every living being in the form of Devata, what happens? He says, muchyate bhavabandhana. Person gets freed from what? Bondage of samsara, because the vision changes. Everything is presiding deity. Presiding deity relates to whom? Parameshwara. Everything is Paramatma Sarupa. So therefore, मोहे नापि सदा नैव कुर्याद प्रिय भाषणं यदि कुर्यात् प्रमादेन हन्ति तं देवता परा. Even by moha, even by erroneously, even by mistake, what? Always apriya bhashanam na kurya. Don't speak anything which is harsh, which is apriya to anyone. Yadi kuryat pramadena, if it is done by mistake, what? Hantitam devata para. Para devata means who? The Parameshwara certainly what? Punishes the person. Everything is what? Paramatma Swarupa. At one step level, every body has got what? Presiding deity. That is why Lord Krishna says that not only one should not hurt or ill-treat others or abuse others, one should not ill-treat one's own body also. Who is there in one's own body? Paramatma and presiding deities are there. Even that should not be done. Chapter 17, stanza 6, you can make a note of it. Karshayanta sharirastam bhutagramam achetasaha mam chaivanta sharirastam tan vidhyasura nishchayan. Chapter 17, Gita, stanza 6. So these people are with asura nishchaya, they torture me, who is there, abiding in that. Me means who? Paramatma, abiding in their own embodiment, and therefore they are really what? Asuras only as such. So therefore, why this is said repeatedly? There is a rule. Everything is Atma, everything is Atma, Sarvam, everything is Atma, but still it doesn't click. So but one by one to it is said, the rule. What is that? Bahukrutvopi pathyam baditavyam. Pathyam means whatever that is good, bahukrutvapi baditavyam.